Hi there, Elaine here with WTI.
Welcome to the Rolls-Royce of floor machines. This Tineco iFLOOR 3 is a dream. It picks up and it cleans at the same time. Vacuums and wet mops at the same swipe. Amazing. Just remember that everything that goes in must come out. So the directions say clean very good every time. And you definitely have to let it air dry. We have made the mistake of not cleaning it, and the smell was horrendous. So do yourself a favor and clean it and put it back properly and very dry and clean. You can click it in. It's so easy to put together. Make sure you are putting the roller in right and that it's dry. It does have a self-cleaning roller too, but I like to hand clean it. And your solution goes in the top with the water at the max line, and make sure you place it in gently and click it close. This machine is really amazing.
We love it, and that's just our point of view.